Hi, I'm Mary Bond. As a structural body worker, I know that if there are problems in the knees, there are likely to be imbalances in the feet. Recently, I was working with a client who had had a knee replacement surgery. When I watched her walking, I saw that she wasn't articulating her feet and ankles, especially on the side of the surgery. After working with her to restore the foot and ankle movement, I realized that probably many people could benefit from the same lessons I had taught my client. In this clip, I'm showing the way my client used her feet when going downstairs. She went heel first, the way you do when you're on level ground. You can see how jarring this is, not only to the knee, but to the whole body. This time, I'm stepping down first with the forefoot and then lowering the heel. Notice that it's a lot quieter. You can probably see it better here. Heel first, and this time articulating the feet. Here's the lesson. You can do the moves right along with me. To begin, hold on to something so you don't have to think about maintaining your balance. Now we do a simple heel raise and lower. This is like something you would do in a ballet class. It's called releve. Coming up and then down. Take time to really feel the way the midfoot rises at the hinge across the metatarsals. Or you can do one foot at a time. Here's what's going on in your bones. There's a virtual hinge between your metatarsals and your toes. So you are going up and down across that virtual hinge. And it doesn't matter how high you go. You're working on the coordination of the feeling of that hinge rather than on strength. The next step is to combine this movement with bending your ankles. In ballet terms, this would be plie and then releve. As you bend your knees and ankles, really feel your weight settling into your feet. As you extend your ankles and rise up onto your toes, notice how your body's weight shifts toward the front part of your foot. Plie, releve. Plie, releve. The next part is like marching in place. Standing on your left foot, raise your right heel, and then push your toes away from the floor. Then let the ball of your foot return to the floor, and then the heel. So it's heel up, toes up, ball down, heel down. Now we're ready to step down from a slight riser. I'm using yoga blocks. Shift your weight to your left foot, then reach the ball of your right foot forward to the floor. Then lower your heel. It's just like the second half of the marching you did before. The ball lands, heel lands. Notice that you're articulating not only your foot, but your ankle, your knee, and your hip as well. All these joints are working on the leg that is stepping down and on the leg that remains behind. This is exactly what I'm doing when I'm coming down these stairs. You can see how this lesson applies to the movement of climbing uphill. Here I'm stepping flat-footed and driving myself forward by overworking my knees. It looks labored. This time, I'm using the toe hinge to push off. It's more efficient because I'm using more of my body to do the work. This facilitates the natural resilience of my fascia, so the upward climb isn't so labored. Your body is fascially connected from head to toe, but modern lifestyles inhibited our use of this body-wide organ. Sometimes we just need to retrain our nerves and muscles so the fascia can work properly. There's lots more about this in my new book, Your Body Mandala. Thank you for watching. Click on the link to purchase my online workshop, Know Your Feet.